Assalamualaikum friends, how are you? Today I'm going to show you about this code p0301. It's a cylinder misfire code. It's a sometime coming problem, spark plug and injector, and sometime ignition coil problem. Let's see, I'll show you what's problem in this BMW 335i. First of all, I'll check the spark plug. Uh, Now I will open the spark plug. Let's see. Today I'm little check the, you can see this coil, check the rubber downside is okay or not okay. Now open the spark plug and check the spark plug. Oh my god, it's you can see the spark plug is not good condition. It's you can see it's not working good. We need to change the spark plugs. We have some new. I have new spark plugs. I have six spark plugs for this car. Now I will fix the all spark plugs and then start the again car. I'm going to change the all spark plugs because if you change now one plug, no benefit. Must be change all spark plugs. Then start the car. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. And subscribe my channel and hit like.